Hello everybody, welcome back to another video for engineers. Now we're going to talk about the physical principles that prevent the world from a technological leap. Let's go! What is quantum superposition? Quantum superposition is a fundamental principle of quantum mechanics. It states that, much like waves in classical physics, any two or more quantum states can be added together, superposed, and the result will be another valid quantum state. And conversely, that even quantum state can be represented as a sum of two or more other distinct states. Mathematically, it refers to a property of solution to be the Schrödinger equation. Since the Schrödinger equation is linear, any linear combination of solutions will be also a solution. A good example of that principle is the Schrödinger's cat. Schrödinger's cat is a thought experiment about quantum physics. Erwin Schrödinger suggested it in 1935 in reaction to the Copenhagen interpretation of quantum physics. A cat is locked up in a steel chamber, along with the following device, which must be secured against direct interference by the cat. In a Geiger counter, there is a teeny bit of radioactive substance, no small, that perhaps in the course of the hour one of the atom decays, but also with the equal probability perhaps none. If it happens, the counter took the charge and through a relay releases a hammer that shatters a small flask of hydrocyanic acid. If one has left this entire system to itself for an hour, one would say that the cat still lives, if meanwhile no atom has decayed. The PSI function of the entire system will express this behaving in it the living at the cat. Pardon the expression, mixed of smeared out in equal parts. It is typical of this case that a indeterminacy originally restricted to the atomic domain becomes transformed into macroscopic indeterminacy, which can then be resolved by direction observation that prevent us from so naively accepting as a valid a blurred model for representing reality. In itself, it will not embody anything unclear or contradictory. There is a difference between a shaky or out-of-focus photograph and snapshot of clouds and fog bands. The question now is, at the end of the hour, is the cat alive or dead? Schrödinger says that according to the Copenhagen interpretation, as long as the door is closed, the cat is dead and alive. There is no way to know until the door is opened, but by the opening the door, the person is interacting with the experiment. The person and the experiment have to be described with reference to each other. In quantum mechanics, the uncertainty principle, also known as Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, is any of a variety of mathematical inequalities, asserting as a fundamental limit to the precision with which certain parts of physical properties of a particle, known as complementary variables such as position x and momentum p, can be known. When we want to carry out the engineering to a nanoscopic size, we find this physics unresolved principle. For this reason, we can't build nanoscopic machines and other type of machine. We don't have the solution of that type of principles. Thank you very much for watching and good luck guys. See you later.